Hey you guys, it's me, Shania, and I'm back again with another video. Today I come to you with episode 3 of this series, of this unknown series, because I don't know what to call it. So please, if you have any suggestions, just leave me a comment below in the description box. Just leave me a comment below and I will check it and try to get some ideas from you guys, alright? Someone had suggested Thrifty Treasures, and it turns out that name has already been taken, so keep those suggestions coming. I'm thinking something along the lines of Thrift to Treasure, or Thrifted Treasure, or Thrift Trash Treasure. Something like that, something with a to it. In this video, I'm going to be taking this pencil skirt that I got from my thrift haul, and you can actually watch the video. Just click the link below in the description box. And I'm gonna be just turning this pencil skirt into a more sporty kind of pencil skirt, so I'm just going to be adding 2 white stripes to it and putting a slit in it. If you guys enjoy this tutorial, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy my DIY sporty crop top tutorial as well, so just head on over to the link that I've posted down below in the description box. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is try on your skirt and decide how long or how short you want your new skirt to be, and just place a pin. Now I went ahead and just hand stitched the open slit of my skirt, just so that when I cut it there won't be any problems. Then you want to turn it inside out and find the pin, and you want to draw a straight line across where the pin is. The easiest way to do that is to just fold the bottom of the skirt so that it meets where the pin is. Tongue-tied. And then just draw your line like so. Obviously it's much straighter than my drawing, and then cut it out. Now we're gonna save this piece for another tutorial, stay tuned for that, and just set it aside. Now you're gonna hem the bottom of your skirt like so. Just fold it over, put some pins, and stitch it. Now to stitch it, I discovered this new stitch that basically looks like a ladder with a zigzag in the middle, and this is the settings for it, and this is how it looks. It almost looks like a serger did it, so you should definitely check it out if you have it on your machine. Now you want to decide how high you want your split to come, so you're just going to place a pin there, and you should use the middle of your knee as a guide so that you have it centered. Now from your pin, you're just going to fold your skirt so that your pin is now on the outside of the fold, like so. And then you want to just cut down here. Now to make sure that the line is straight, I use masking tape, and I just placed it pretty close to the edge. Not exactly on the edge, but pretty close to the edge. And then I'm going to open up my skirt the right way, the normal way. And then I'm going to cut along the masking tape until I get to the pin, like so. And then once you've done that and you take away your masking tape, it looks like a pretty clean line. Now all you have to do is just fold over the opening flaps and then hem it. Now obviously you want to turn your skirt on the wrong side and then hem it. And you can even turn your skirt on the wrong side while you're pinning. Now to close the top of your slit, you're just going to use the buttonhole setting on your machine. And this is the buttonhole setting right here. And it's just going to make your needle go left and right, left and right. So you're just going to close the opening of the slit like so by pushing it together, and then put it right underneath the foot where the hole is, and then sew it. Then you're just gonna iron the skirt to make sure that it's flat. And you're gonna take shoelaces. Check the link below if you don't have any spare shoelaces and you'd like to buy some from Amazon. And you're just gonna line up the split of your skirt, the two flaps, and then fold it like so. And this was my first attempt to get the shoelace straight, but honestly I don't recommend that you do this, because when I did this, I had a hard time each time I would take the pin out while I was sewing. So what I suggest you do is use masking tape as your guide, like so. So just put the masking tape at the center of the slit, or the top of the slit, and then go straight up, and then you can basically just use the edge of your masking tape to line up with your shoelace. Now it's not perfect, but it looks pretty decent. Then you're gonna fold over the end of the shoelace, and then you're gonna hand sew it, and then you're just gonna clip off that awkward like tube part. And then to keep it from fraying, I just use some white nail polish. You're going to repeat the same thing for this side, just cut it off about like 1 inch. We're gonna save the shoelace for later for another tutorial. Stay tuned. And then I just folded over the edge of the shoelace, and then I'm just gonna hand sew it down into place like so. And then I'm gonna repeat the same thing with the other shoelace, and it should look like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, ciao!